SGBX Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Look, I'm the only guy that has actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all. It's taken me 5 years, but I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And it's all that matters to me, honestly. Like, when I was here back then, I had a bearish idea, and that was so nice. Delivered so nice. Information. Yeah, let me show you the before. I mean, just so you don't think I'm lying to you. At the time, it was 85 cents. It was made 4 months back, January 22nd. And yeah, since then, it's been just melting. I mean, all I'm here to tell you, man, is that it did deliver towards the lows. And I even started pumping up, but for me, this is just like a random pump. And most of the times, this thing dumps. I'm not going to assume that it will dump, but I'm more so going to react. And only if I see some sort of a double break, this is going to be a bearish side for me. Other than that, I'll keep an eye, and maybe it's going to be a long, but currently just waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making, my bad, let me just 5-10K per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.